What you see here is Sky Golf. Sky Golf is in town filming a documentary on the city of Jacksonville and chose TPC Sawgrass to film holes 16, 17, 18, better known as the Gauntlet to the players, as well as the back of the clubhouse here.
Ready when you are.
I'll pitch up, then move to the left.
Yep. Nice and slow on the flowers.
Ready for takeoff. Sky Golf filming the back of the clubhouse. Command and control and filming center for Sky Golf right here.
Or was it? Good. Come back around. Yeah. How's your video? Very good.
Sky Golf filming back of the clubhouse.
Magic.
See how the helicopter moves, but the camera stays almost like a gyroscope upright.